Okay, today we'll be looking at the Pronto oil filter, number PO2500EX. And you can get this at Parts Geek for $5.48. So let's get started. Except for it's supposed to get a silicone. Get your inner here, filtration of 90% medium, 99% filtration efficient. Okay, let's start with the box because it has a lot of information on it. 98% multi-pass particle removal efficiency. And if you look down here, for particles less than 30 microns. And also it has silicone gasket, silicone anti-drain back valve. Yeah, it's giving you some good information here. Engineered to be delivered up to 10,000 miles of engine protection. Pretty good. And in the picture, it looks like it's got a coil spring, metal end caps, holes. Yeah, we don't even have to open it up. But let's open it up anyways. See what she looks like. Okay, what do we got here? Date code 20MRN028748. Okay, and this is a sticker. Made in Vietnam. It has like a kind of a painted coating on it. It's nice for gripping. It'll grip better than just normal paint. They got a little plastic covering on here, which is nice. And this is nice, a silicone O-ring. Silicone O-ring gasket. It's nice. How's it on here? Yeah, it's on here nice too. It fits on pretty good. Nice and thick. She has 8 inlet holes. Looks like a silicone anti-drain back valve. I see a lot of glue down there though. Looks like the bypass valve down there. And a metal inner core with holes. Yeah, it looks like a nice amount of holes here threads. Yeah, nice amount of grooves there. So far, looking good. I like it when they got all that information on the box like that. That's nice. Alright, let's cut this baby open and see what she looks like inside. Okay, here she is, and let's see how much she weighs. 10.9 ounces. And how about the base plate? 4.5 ounces. It's a nice base plate. There's a lot of threads here. It's nice. A lot of inlet holes. Yeah, this is well made. I like this. This is all nice. Nice O-ring. Yeah, it's nice. And we got silicone anti-drain back valve. Also nice. Nice feature to have. Fits right on there nicely. Look at that. And filter media. I counted 55 pleats. And this is a synthetic blend media. Metal crimp seam. And this filter is clean. I mean, look at this. This is nice and clean. No excess glue or anything. The pleats are like perfectly spaced. Wow, I'm impressed with this filter. Nice metal end caps. Clean. You got a bypass valve here. This has got a setting of 20 psi. Yeah, very clean. And my favorite, coil spring. Keep everything nice and tight. Yeah, let's see how this, see how good it does stay tight. I didn't check it. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's see how nice that works. Nice. Let's get some measurements. 0.5. It's a good thickness. It feels like it's a pretty good thick can. Zero. 2.78 inches, 2.63 inches, 3.23 inches. And the can itself weighs 3.1 ounces. Let's see what the filter media weighs. 2.9 ounces. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. Oh, it's almost a shame to cut this open. Alright, let's cut this baby open, see how long she is, and nice filter media. Yeah. Okay, and here she is all stretched out. And she's 54 inches long. She's zoomed out. Okay, so here's the seam. And she managed to stay together for me pretty good. It's a really dark filter media. It reminds me more of a paper media than a synthetic blend. I have a feeling they put a lot of paper in this. That's, it's just my opinion, but that's what it looks like. That's my thoughts on that. And let's check out the rest of the filter, which I like this filter. It reminds me of a premium guard that I opened up probably about a month or two ago. It had a nice shiny anti-drain bag valve like this. Black canister. Holes like this in the metal core. A lot of holes, big holes. This is all good though. I like this. They got a nice, you get a nice flow. There's a lot of glue down here, but I don't think that would cause any problem. I took it, I just, ripped it apart, but that's why you see like it's cracked. But I think it'd be okay once it goes all together. And you got a coil spring. This filter was requested by a viewer, and he said they use these around his, I guess in his area, in his shops around his area. So all I can say is they use these filters, they're okay. I would say I'd give him one of these because the filters seem okay to me. Yeah. Silicone, yeah, this is definitely like a like that premium guide I opened up a while back. It had the silicone O-ring gasket on it also. Yeah, what do you guys think about this filter? I think it's a pretty good filter. It only costed, well, that's Parts Geek, $5.48. But they get you on the shipping. If you could get it somewhere else, you'd probably save, you'd save money on the shipping. Maybe in your area you can get this filter cheaper if you wanted to use it. But it's supposed to be a synthetic media, up to 10,000 miles. I don't know. It's got a nice box. It's a colorful filter. I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. Oh yeah, and let's see how this bypass valve works. Can't go without checking this out. Oh yeah, works good.